Introduction. AI art has grown in popularity significantly over the last couple of years. There's a lot of interest in the creation of AI art, and there is a market of hungry buyers who are willing to pay a good price for the right art. Most people that start with AI art make a lot of mistakes and never successfully sell their work. By using the techniques in this training, you can create stunning AI art that the market wants and sell it for a high price. You don't need any artistic talent or experience to create AI art, and the training will take you through everything step by step. After taking this powerful training, you will know exactly what you need to do to be successful with AI art. We have worked hard to provide you with everything that you need to know to successfully create AI art and sell it for a high price. You will learn proven techniques to create the highest quality AI art that the market is looking for and how you can sell it for a good profit. Let's get started with your profitable AI art journey. What is AI art? Artificial intelligence, AI, has grown from a niche interest in recent years to something that touches almost every part of our lives today. From self-driving cars and digital assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa, to virtual personal assistants on computers, smartphones, and other devices, and even smart home appliances, AI is playing an increasingly important role in the way we live and work. In addition to these visible applications, there are many more still undiscovered uses of AI. One such emerging field is artificial intelligence art, AI art, or the use of artificial intelligence techniques as a medium for creating art. Computer scientists have been using AI to generate images since the 1980s, but this is the first time it's been used as an artistic medium. Mathematical algorithms to create art. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a subfield of computer science that makes machines act like humans. It's about creating machines that can perceive the world around them, understand concepts, and make decisions based on this information. With AI, computers can perform tasks that would be difficult or impossible for humans to do, like recognizing patterns in massive amounts of data, diagnosing diseases, and more. Artificial intelligence art, also known as art generated by AI, is a subset of AI in which computers are used to create works of art. Artists who use AI to create art are known as AI artists. Artists have been using computers to generate and manipulate images since the 1950s. These works of computer art are created with software code, mathematical algorithms, and computer graphics models, but they are not necessarily considered to be AI art because they don't involve machine learning and other forms of artificial intelligence. Artists provide instructions to a computer to generate art. AI art usually begins with a creative process that's similar to how traditional artists create their work. The artist first imagines an idea for a piece. It could be a landscape, a portrait, or maybe something abstract. One method of creating AI art is from a sketch. This will create a first draft of the desired final product that helps the artist plan their creative process and execute the final work in a way that best expresses their artistic intent. The artist then composes the artwork by providing instructions for the computer to manipulate mathematical algorithms and computer-generated images in a way that best achieves the desired aesthetic and artistic effect. In other words, the artist creates a set of rules and instructions that the computer uses to generate a final piece of art. Now, it is possible for people that are not artists to create AI art simply by providing text instructions and keywords using a platform like Midjourney. We will explain this in more detail later in this training. AI art can help artists and non-artists too. Art is often a process of trial and error, with many artists revisiting their work until they get it right. Computers are extremely efficient and consistent in the way they perform tasks, and AI can help artists work more efficiently and consistently, freeing them to spend more time honing their craft and exploring new ideas. In addition to this, computers are capable of using a large amount of data and existing information to generate new kinds of art. Sometimes, AI is designed to generate entirely new and unexpected results. AI-generated art can be a way for artists to explore new ideas, create something different from their previous work, and even challenge their preconceived notions about artistic expression. It is also available to people that are not artists to create images that they imagine. AI is becoming a medium for artistic impression. Artists have been experimenting with AI since the 1980s, but this is the first time that technology has become a medium for artistic creativity. As computer scientists continue to perfect their programming, AI is becoming more sophisticated and advanced, allowing it to create more complex and high-quality work. These technological developments have created new opportunities for artists who want to experiment with AI, but they've also increased interest in the field among scholars, media outlets, and the general public. As such, AI has emerged as its own artistic genre, and more people have been exploring the technology's artistic possibilities. AI art can have a different look. AI artists and the general public are creating different types of art with technology, from visual art pieces to music and poetry. Art pieces generated from AI can be very different from one another, depending on the artist's creative vision and the technology used to generate the artwork. Some AI artists may use different programming languages, computer graphics models, and algorithms to create their art. Other artists are creating designs using machine learning techniques, but most use programming languages and algorithms. It is reasonably easy to create AI art. Artists have been using computers to create art since the 1950s, but they've been using AI to create art since the 1980s. Technology has advanced significantly since then, allowing artists to create more complex work with the assistance of AI. People can use AI to generate new designs, create more efficient workflows, and explore new creative ideas. It is also useful for artists who are interested in exploring AI itself as an artistic medium. Anyone can now use AI to generate new designs, create more efficient workflows, and explore new creative ideas. In this training, you will learn exactly how you can create awesome-looking AI art that you can sell. AI art technology continues to advance. It's hard to predict where AI art will go from here, but it will certainly evolve with time. As people continue experimenting with AI, they'll discover new ways to use technology to create new and exciting forms of art. Artists will also continue exploring the philosophical implications of AI art, asking questions like, what does it mean for a computer to create art? How do we define what art is? And what does AI art say about humanity in general? You do not need to concern yourself with questions like this. In this training, you will learn how you can easily create AI art with no previous artistic skills and then sell it to make money. This is a new market, so you'll be getting involved at the right time. In the next video, we will discuss the benefits of creating AI art. The benefits of creating AI art. AI is creeping its way into almost every industry, including art. That doesn't mean that AI can paint like Picasso or create a masterpiece out of thin air. Instead, it means that it's helping artists and ordinary people get their work done faster and with better results than if they had to do everything manually. With artificial intelligence and the right tools, you can unlock your creative genius and produce art that would be impossible without the help of AI algorithms. Even if you don't think of yourself as an artist, anyone can produce art with the help of AI. The following benefits should help you understand why so many people are creating art with artificial intelligence. No artistic talent is required to create AI art. If you're thinking that you don't have any artistic talent and don't even know where to start, you might be surprised by how easy it can be to create AI art. You can use algorithms that are pre-trained to create art by inputting the style, content, and desired outcome. Once you've created your art using AI algorithms, you can post-process it to make it look more realistic. No artistic talent is required if you use an algorithm that has been pre-trained. You can use the same algorithms that major artists use to produce their art. Today, there are AI platforms available that the novice can use to create great-looking images. All you need to master is how the platform works and the best instructions to provide. The technology continues to evolve, which means that it should be even easier in the future to create stunning AI art when you have no artistic talent. AI can help you find inspiration. AI can be used to help you find inspiration, which can be very important if you're struggling to create something new. A neural network can help you find images similar to works of art that you love, which can be a great starting point for your art. When you found some images that inspire you, you can use them to create a mood board or collage that you can refer back to when you're trying to come up with new ideas. This is especially helpful when you're in a rut or lack confidence in your creative abilities. AI can help you find inspiration from artists whose work you admire. There's nothing worse than staring at a blank piece of paper and not knowing what to do next. You do not need to be an artist to create great-looking art using AI. Technology can inspire everyone. AI can help you to create art instantly. Artificial intelligence is great for helping you produce art instantly. If you need to create a quick piece of art, AI is available to help you. You can use generative adversarial networks, also known as GANs, which are algorithms that are trained to create images based on a particular style. GANs are trained using images that have been labeled with data, so they know what they should be creating. Using AI GANs, you can produce images very fast, although you may need to do some post-production to create something ready to display. These GANs are especially useful for sketches or drawings that are created quickly, such as doodles or visual notes. GANs can be useful for artists who want to create sketches quickly for an upcoming exhibition. Anyone can use an AI art platform such as Midjourney to create impressive images fast. With these platforms, all you need to do is provide instructions in text format and the AI will generate images based on this. AI can assist you with color selection. AI art platforms can help you select the right colors for your art with minimal effort on your part. The AI can analyze colors from images to find the dominant colors and create a palette that you can use to produce similar-looking pieces of art. This can be especially helpful when you're trying to produce a consistent brand, such as when you're creating logos, branding, or posters. It can also be helpful if you're looking to create a particular mood or feeling through your art. AI can help you select the right colors to achieve this. AI can assist you with facial recognition. If you're creating a portrait or image with a person in it, artificial intelligence can help you detect and track the face in the image. This can be done with a pre-trained model and open-source machine learning libraries that can detect and track faces. Facial recognition can be especially helpful for portrait artists who want to ensure that their painting is as accurate as possible. AI can automate repetitive tasks. AI can help you automate repetitive tasks so that you don't have to waste time repeating the same actions manually. This can be helpful when you're creating a lot of art, such as when you're creating a series of paintings or prints or branding images. You can use algorithms to help you automate repetitive tasks such as color selection, image resizing, and file naming. Managing your workflow can help you to create art more efficiently and produce more work in less time. You can sell your AI art. If you've created AI art that you are proud of, you can sell it. AI art is usually priced higher, but you can price it at what you think it is worth. There are many online platforms, including AI Art and Artsy, where you can sell your AI art. You can also sell your AI art on social media, or you can sell it in galleries. There's a growing demand for AI art, and you can earn a living from it if you create enough pieces and have the right marketing strategy. If you have created AI art, you have a unique opportunity to stand out from the crowd. In a later video, we will show you the best strategies to use for selling your AI art for the highest price. This is a great time to get involved with the creation and sale of AI art as the demand is increasing for it. In the next video, we will discuss how to prepare to create stunning AI art that will sell. Prepare to create stunning AI art that will sell. Creators of artificial intelligence art may have different methods and tools, but they all share one common goal: to take raw text and turn it into images that are visually captivating, thought-provoking, or simply beautiful. Artificial intelligence artists use algorithms and software to transform words into visuals. AI artwork may not appeal to everyone, but it's growing in popularity. From digital paintings of famous fictional characters like Harry Potter, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and Sherlock Holmes, to digitally distorted photographs that appear almost unrecognizable as real people, artificial intelligence art often challenges the viewer's senses. In this video, we will take you through the essential steps you need to know before creating stunning AI art from text prompts. Being prepared is very important, as many people just jump onto an AI art platform and fail to create saleable art. Know your audience. If you want to create AI art to make money, which is the theme of this training, or secure a following on social media, know your audience. Who would be interested in viewing your work? Is there a popular niche you want to target? AI art is an interesting way to create art from text prompts, but it's not for everyone. Some people will find it intriguing, while others might find it difficult to understand and unappealing. If you're looking to create AI art purely for yourself, that's fine too. Creativity is always a good thing, and you never know when you might stumble across a useful application for your work. The more that you know what your audience is looking for, the more successful you will be when it comes to selling your AI art. So take the time out to research what is selling well and who is buying it. In a short time, you will get to know the market and be able to generate the most money from it. Do your homework and get inspired. As you research different types of AI artwork, you'll quickly see that there isn't just one way to create this type of art. However, it's important to understand the basics of the algorithms and processes behind each type of AI art so you can create something visually appealing and meaningful for your intended audience. When you're collecting inspiration for your own AI artwork, don't just focus on one type of AI art. Instead, explore AI art from a wide variety of sources, including algorithms that create digital paintings, photos, distorted images, or even text-based art. You may also want to explore different styles of AI artwork, such as minimalism, realism, or surrealism, to gain inspiration for very different approaches to AI artwork. Again, knowing what your market wants is very important here, so be prepared to do your homework to achieve the best results. Experiment with layouts and shapes. One of the first things you need to decide when you're creating AI artwork is how you want to present it. There are several different ways to choose how to display your work, including line layout, shape layout, or a combination of both. Depending on your method of layout, you may also want to experiment with different shapes. For example, if you're creating a digital painting, you're probably better off using a line layout rather than a shaped layout. A line layout will allow you to use straight lines to tie everything together for a visually clean and consistent piece of art. When you're using shapes, you may want to experiment with different shapes, including squares, circles, triangles, hexagons, or even polygons. You may even decide to use triangles and hexagons to create a grid layout. Decide which type of AI art you want to create. Now that you've explored different types of AI artwork, it's time to decide which type you'd like to create. While you can create any type of AI art you want, remember that not all algorithms are suitable for all types of AI art. For example, you may want to create a digital painting, but your algorithm may only support text-based art. You need to check out the capabilities of the platform that you intend to use. We will look at the best AI art platforms later in this training. While you can create practically any type of AI art you want, some types are more popular than others. Popular examples include distorted images, digital paintings, and text-based art. One of the most popular types of AI art among digital painters is creating portraits of fictional characters. You can create portraits of popular characters from books, movies, TV shows, or even video games, for example. Get familiar with your AI art platform. No matter what type of AI art you decide to create, you'll need to get familiar with your tools and software. The more familiar you are with your AI art platform, the better your work will be and the more efficient you'll be. If you plan to monetize your work, you'll also want to be familiar with tools like Midjourney so you can create stunning visuals quickly. There may be some training of the algorithm needed with an AI art program. The more data you provide, the better the algorithm will perform. You may want to read reviews and find out what other creators are saying about the software you're considering, including how easy it is to use and what kind of results you can expect. Understand how AI art is created. Before you get started creating AI art, it's important to understand how it's created. Artificial intelligence artists use algorithms to transform words into visuals. These algorithms take a piece of text, such as a sentence or paragraph, and analyze each letter to determine the type of image it should create. When you're creating AI artwork, you may have a general idea of what you want to create, but your text may cause the algorithm to create something different. This is because each algorithm is unique and has its own set of rules, which is why one artist's AI artwork may look completely different than another artist's work. For example, if you use the word ninja in your text, an algorithm may use that word to create a ninja-themed visual. Another algorithm may use the word ninja but create a different type of visual, such as a samurai. These are just examples, of course, and there are many other ways an algorithm could use the word ninja in your text. Decide on the visual style of your art. Finally, before you begin creating AI artwork, decide on a visual style. You can create any type of AI art, but you may want to stick to one particular style. Although each algorithm has its own rules, it's still helpful to have a visual style in mind. For example, if you want to create a digital painting, you may want to create artwork that has a surrealistic style. As you explore different types of AI artwork, you'll notice that some types of algorithms work better with one visual style over another. For example, algorithms that create distorted images often work best with a surrealistic style. Use the right text to get the best results. Practice using different text to create your AI art. Before you create your AI art piece, make sure to look over the text you're going to use. Make sure it's the best representation of what you want to create and that it's the best quality text possible. If you use text that's too long or too short, the image produced by AI will be too long or too short, respectively. When the text is in a different language, or if the image quality is poor, the algorithm may not be able to create an image from your text. If you want to create stunning AI art, make sure you enter high-quality text into the platform. There are several factors to consider when choosing the best text for your project, such as purpose. In other words, is it for commercial use or is it for personal use? Text length. How many words or characters does it contain? Language. Is the text in English? Once again, it's important to keep that in mind that AI will translate text into images in the language of the machine. That means that if you want your AI art piece to be in English, you need to provide text written in English. Image quality. What is the image resolution of the text? Is it blurry, pixelated, or too dark or light? Here are a few types of text that can create stunning AI art results. Poetry. Poetry can be a great source of inspiration for AI art. It's often short and succinct, so the image created from AI art based on poetry is usually short. Fiction. If you want to create an AI art piece based on a novel, short story, or series of short stories, you need to make sure that the text is concise. Drabble. Short pieces of writing are ideal for AI art. Drabble is a type of short story that's written to fit within a certain word count. Quotes. Because quotes are short and often to the point, they make for ideal AI art creation. Use the right commands to create the best AI art. Once you've selected the type of text you're going to use, you need to provide the AI with the right command to create the image from the text. You can do this in a few different ways. By uploading the image to the AI algorithm and telling it to find text in the image. By converting your text into an image. By feeding the text into an AI algorithm. By selecting an image and using a keyword search to find text in the image. If you use an image-to-text conversion algorithm, you can use the same image-to-text conversion algorithm for both the short version and the long version of your AI art piece. The only difference between the two versions will be the colors and the fonts. You need to be prepared to practice entering the right commands into your chosen AI art platform to create the best-looking art. It is unlikely that the first set of commands that you enter are going to create the results that you want, so practice often so that you master this. In the next video, we will discuss the best AI art platforms to create your art. The best AI art platforms to create your art. Artificial intelligence is changing the world, and its impacts are being felt in all industries. With AI, data can be analyzed faster and more accurately than ever before. From computer vision to natural language processing, new AI inventions are being created every day. These innovations are also affecting the art world, with artists and ordinary people using AI to create their own unique pieces of artwork that go beyond what humans can produce by hand. Some of these AI art platforms cost money to use, but they are all relatively cheap. There is one free platform that we will discuss in this video as well. Considering that you can sell high-quality AI art for a good price, the cost to use these AI art platforms is minimal. Let's get into each of the platforms and what it has to offer. Choose the AI art platform that is right for you. Before you can create your own AI art, you'll need to decide which AI platform or platforms you want to use. There are several AI platforms available that allow you to create your own AI art, but some are easier to use than others. You'll want to consider which features are important to you. You may want to look for an AI platform that offers a wide range of features or one that lets you create your own unique artwork. Depending on your needs, there are many AI platforms to choose from that can help you create your own AI art. Some of the AI art platforms discussed below will allow you to enter text to create the art that you want. Others require that you upload an image, and the AI art is created from this. It is also possible that the AI art platform will accept both text and image uploads. In this training, we will talk a lot about the Midjourney platform. We consider this to be one of the best platforms around, and it is easy to sign up for it now. You no longer have to apply for an invitation. The other platforms are good as well. Midjourney. The reason that we like Midjourney so much is because of the quality of the AI art that it creates. They used to have a waiting list that you could join, but now you can sign up as a beta user and create your AI art on the platform. In the next video, we will discuss how to create AI art using the Midjourney platform. Something else that makes Midjourney stand out from the other AI art platforms is that it is the only one where a user won a serious art competition with. The user was able to beat real human artists with the AI art they had created using Midjourney. The quality of the AI art that you can create using Midjourney is exceptional. You can create art pieces with a lot of detail that other platforms cannot produce. When you have mastered Midjourney, you will be able to create art that is indistinguishable from that created by a human artist. Midjourney is a unique AI art platform that allows you to create your own AI-generated art simply by entering the right text commands. There's a free trial version of Midjourney available where you can test it for usability and quality. The Midjourney platform has a wide variety of features, including the ability to create a range of styles and the ability to generate new images based on a text input or by uploading an image. Midjourney also comes with its online community where you can share your AI art and view other people's. It's easy to use and will create your AI art fast. Jasper Art. Jasper Art is another high-quality AI art platform that allows you to create art by simply entering text. It is an advanced AI art platform that is under continuous development, and anyone can create some very high-quality images using it. You can easily explore different art styles with Jasper Art and experiment with the platform to create the images that you want. It is not as easy to use as Midjourney. Text instructions that you provide to Jasper Art must be crafted in the right way, or you can end up with some pretty unpredictable results. Jasper Art is pretty easy to use if you get the commands right. Not only can you create photo-quality images with the platform, but you can use it to create cartoon images and more. It can create high-quality images very quickly for you if you use the right commands. At the time of writing this training, there is no free trial offered by Jasper Art. Pricing starts from $20 a month. There's multiple language support on the platform, and there is good support who will help you enter the right commands to create the images you want. You can even use their copywriting templates to create your art. Stable Diffusion. If you are interested in creating AI art from existing images, then Stable Diffusion could be a good choice for you. This is a relatively new AI art platform that is from the same stable as Night Cafe, which we will also discuss in this video. You can also use text to create unique AI art using Stable Diffusion. It stands apart from the other AI art platforms in this video as it is free to use. For a free platform, the quality of the images that we were able to create with Stable Diffusion was very high. It is easy to use Stable Diffusion with a browser. All you need to do is go to their site and then you can start to generate AI art images. You can then use the images you create for commercial or non-commercial applications, all at no cost. One issue with the demo version of Stable Diffusion is that it can take quite a while to generate art. It is not unusual to wait between 1 to 15 minutes depending on the number of jobs that are in line. We found that we had to wait a lot longer for art created from an existing image compared to that created by a text prompt. But you are not paying anything to use the platform, so you need to consider this. The quality of the images that Stable Diffusion creates is first class, and you should not be disappointed with the results if you use the right text instructions. Night Cafe. One of the most popular AI art platforms is Night Cafe. They claim to have more art generation and special algorithms than most other platforms. It is really easy to use Night Cafe and ideal for beginners. There's a free trial with the platform where you can try it out without having to provide your credit card details. All you have to do to generate art with Night Cafe is enter your text instructions. Let your imagination run wild and you can create some unique art with this platform. It is fast as well. Usually, you will not have to wait more than 30 seconds to see your creations. The AI art produced by Night Cafe is unique as it is with most platforms. If you like the platform, they have a credit system. You can pay for your credits and also earn more by participating in the community. When we tested Night Cafe, we were able to create high-quality images with the minimum effort. If you want to enhance the work that you create with Night Cafe, there are tools available for you to do that. You can also duplicate your art and share it with others. They also have prints available that you can purchase. With Night Cafe, you can secure the ownership of art that you create. We found the community to be very helpful, and the platform also has video generation tools that few others have. It will cost $9.99 for 100 credits, and there are other pricing plans available for more, with the top plan costing $79.99 a month for 1,500 credits. Photosonic. Photosonic is from the same company that operates WriteSonic, which is an AI copywriting platform that has a good reputation. If you are a content creator and need related images, then Photosonic could be the best option for you. With Photosonic, you can enter text to create your art or use an existing image and convert it. There are a lot of different art styles supported by Photosonic, which provides you with a lot of choices. Creating photo images or cartoon-style images is easy with Photosonic. There are a lot of good features with Photosonic, and one to note is the ability to convert your image into a painting. They provide a free trial, and you are likely to be very impressed with the results. With the free version, you will get 2 art outputs after entering your text prompt. You can enhance images you create with Photosonic to make them larger, for example. The prices for credits are very reasonable. Their basic plan provides you with 100 credits for $10 a month, and there is an unlimited credit plan for $25 a month. DALL-E 2. For a long time, DALL-E 2 was only available by invitation, but now they have a beta sign-up. We found it to be one of the best platforms for generating photorealistic images. OpenAI has developed the platform, and they are behind the development of GPT-3 in the AI space. OpenAI claims that DALL-E 2 cannot just be used for AI art creation, but also the creation of illustrations, the generation of business ideas, and even product design. We only tested the AI art capabilities of the platform, and they were impressive. DALL-E 2 has a very useful paintbrush feature that you can use to change an image. All you need to do is highlight the area of the image you want to change, enter text about the changes you want to make, and the paintbrush tool will make these changes for you. AI art creation is achieved by entering text instructions or using their image-to-image editor. You can upload an existing image and tell DALL-E 2 and tell the platform what changes you want. If you want many different iterations of your AI art, then this is possible with DALL-E 2. There's a free trial available for DALL-E 2, and after that, you will need to purchase credits to continue to use the program. Pricing is not abundantly clear, but you can purchase 115 credits for $15. This is enough credits to create more than 450 images of 1024 by 1024 pixels. In the next video, we will take a closer look at Midjourney. Getting started with Midjourney. Creating an AI-powered digital art project might feel like a big ask. You're probably not a software engineer, and you don't have access to an AI developer. But you want the benefits that AI can bring to your art. What do you do? The answer is midjourney.com, a relatively new website specifically designed to help people with limited technical knowledge and artistic talent to create AI-powered art projects using special text prompts. This video will show you how to get started with midjourney.com and create your AI-powered art project in no time at all. What is Midjourney? Midjourney.com is a website that makes it easy for you to get started with AI-powered art. You can use it to create a variety of artwork using AI. Examples of the kind of artwork that you can create with Midjourney include a digital painting, a 3D scene, a digital drawing of a face. Think of AI-powered art created with Midjourney as ready artwork. You do not need any artistic talent or engineering knowledge to create stunning AI art with Midjourney. Just use the right text prompts and it will create it for you. It is also possible to use existing images and transform them using the platform. Sign up as a beta user at Midjourney. Sign up as a beta user at midjourney.com to get instant unlimited access to the platform. The beta user option is fairly recent, as before you had to join a waiting list and get an invitation to join. When you become a beta user, you can try out Midjourney for free and start creating AI art right away. You can create 25 pieces of AI art a month as a free beta user. They have a credit system where you will need to purchase credits to create more AI art images. The pricing plan is reasonable, and you can make a good return on your investment by selling your AI art creations. More on this in a later video. There is no software to download or program to install with Midjourney. Access Midjourney through Discord. Since Midjourney is a completely anonymous experience, you must use Discord to access the platform. Discord is a free online chat app that lets you create online chat rooms that can be accessed from a web browser or a computer or a mobile app. If you don't already have a Discord account, you can create one for free at discord.gg. You can access Midjourney by clicking on the link that's provided to you when you sign up as a beta user. You'll be taken to a Midjourney conversation room on Discord where you can explore the features of the platform and create your own AI art. Start in a newcomer room. We recommend that you start by exploring Midjourney, and this is best achieved by visiting a newcomer Midjourney conversation room on Discord. As a newcomer, you can explore the features of Midjourney and create a few AI art samples. Newcomers are welcome in the vast majority of the Midjourney conversation rooms. You can join a newcomer conversation room for Midjourney by clicking on the link that's provided to you when you sign up as a beta user. Use text prompts to create AI art with Midjourney. Once you've signed up as a beta user at Midjourney and accessed it through Discord, you can explore the features of the platform by entering text prompts. A text prompt is a short phrase that describes the kind of art that you want to create with Midjourney. Midjourney comes with a bunch of text prompts already preloaded. We will discuss this in more detail later in this training. You can use these preloaded text prompts to create AI art samples with Midjourney. But the best way to get started with Midjourney is to enter a custom text prompt of your creation. Enter a text prompt to generate just about any kind of art that you'd like to see created with Midjourney. Upscaling your AI art with Midjourney. Once you've created an AI art sample with Midjourney, you can upscale it to create a full-fledged piece of artwork. You can upscale an AI art sample to create a beautiful digital painting that's ready to use, for example. Also, you can upscale an AI art sample to create a 3D model that's ready to use. There are U buttons you can use, U1, U2, U3, U4, for the 4 images that Midjourney outputs, which you will use to perform the upscaling. Once you've created your artwork with AI, you can share the artwork online, or you can download it as a file. You can use the artwork to create a digital art installation that uses AI to evolve. Create variations of your AI art with Midjourney. Once you've created an AI artwork with Midjourney, you can create variations of it. There are 4 V buttons that you can use, V1, V2, V3, and V4 for the 4 images that Midjourney outputs, to make any variations to the AI art you have created that you want. You can use a text prompt to make the required changes. For example, practice using Midjourney until you master it. Midjourney has a lot of powerful features that you can use to create the very best AI art. Don't expect to just jump on the platform and start creating masterpieces right away. There is a learning curve, but it is not that difficult. You can learn from others in the Midjourney Discord groups, and you can practice yourself using the different features. It is easy to see the commands that others have used to create their AI art, and you can learn from this so that you can get the results that you want from the platform. In the next video, we will discuss the best Midjourney text prompts to use for the best AI art. Use the best text prompts for excellent AI art results. We will focus on the prompts that you can use with Midjourney in this video, but the principle applies to any of the AI art platforms that you use. By using the best text prompts, you will get the best results with your AI art. It is in your interest to experiment with text prompts so that you can create the AI art that you want. Start with /imagine. To start creating any AI art using Midjourney, you need to begin with /imagine. You will then need to add a space and then start entering your prompt. Go to a Midjourney newcomer channel on Discord and you will find a text box at the bottom. Now enter your prompt using the following format: /imagine prompt description. When you have entered your prompt, you will need to hit the Enter key. Once you do this, the Midjourney AI algorithms will swing into action and start to create your AI art. Bear in mind that there are often thousands of users entering prompts into Midjourney, so it will take a little time for your art to appear. You will see the progress of your image in a percentage format. Your first prompt will usually not create what you want. You need to accept that it is going to take some time and practice to get the best AI art results with Midjourney. In the newcomer rooms, you will find several examples of AI art that aren't very good due to the prompts that the users have entered. When Midjourney creates your AI art images, it will display 4 different variations in a 2x2 grid. Directly underneath the grid of images, you will see buttons you can use to either upscale your images, the U buttons will make your images larger, or make variations to your images using the V buttons. Use more than one adjective in your prompts. Many new users with Midjourney will enter prompts that only contain one adjective and are then surprised when they don't get the results that they want. Let's say that you want to create an image around a bird. If you enter the prompt, a colorful bird, you're going to get a fairly simple result from Midjourney that will probably not meet your expectations. Be prepared to add more than one adjective. You will create a far better image if you add more adjectives to your prompt, such as a multicolored bird flying at sunset across a field of beautiful flowers. With this prompt, we have used 2 adjectives, multicolored and beautiful. Be as specific as you can. When you are more descriptive with your prompts, you provide the AI with more choices, and the AI art it produces will usually be significantly better than with a single prompt. It is a good idea to have a vivid picture in your mind of the kind of AI art that you want Midjourney to create for you. The better you can convert this vision into words, the better the results you will get with your AI art. In the example above, we have imagined our bird flying at sunset over a field of beautiful flowers. This gives Midjourney a lot to work with, and it will produce better images for you. Use well-known words. It will help if you use well-known words and phrases in your prompts. Here are some examples: king, queen, knight, dragon, wizard. This will help Midjourney as it has millions of image references in its databases. These all have labels associated with them, so there are likely to be many references with the king label, for example. Using well-known words and phrases will help you to create better AI art. Include the style that you want. If you want your AI art to have a specific artistic style, then you need to include this in your text prompt so that Midjourney can make this happen for you. Remember that we are talking about machines here, which are not going to think for themselves as we do. Here are some examples of artistic styles that you could use in your prompts: abstract, contemporary, cubism, cyberpunk, fantasy, impressionism, minimal, modern, surrealism. Again, you are giving Midjourney useful information to help it create the kind of AI art that you are looking for. It will take a while for you to become familiar with the right prompts. Bear in mind that the more you use your imagination, the better your AI art is likely to turn out. Use common Midjourney prompts. Some prompts appear many times when users create their AI art. The following list is some of the more common prompts that people use. This is not a definitive list by any means, and we recommend that you commit to building your prompt vocabulary so that you can create the best AI art. Here's a starter list of common AI prompts used with Midjourney: dynamic, atmospheric, futurism, dramatic light, maximum texture, anthropomorphic, time loop, 8K, concept art, very detailed, multiverse, cinematic lighting, atom punk, Unreal Engine, symmetrical, octane render, ray tracing, photorealistic, bionic futurism, hyper-realistic, steampunk, sharp focus, cyberpunk, rim lighting, iridescent, soft lighting, internal glow, volumetric, studio light, surreal, HDR, fantastic backlight, realistic CGI. Have a good look at these prompts and work out why they are often used. As we said, this is not an exhaustive list, and you can add your own prompts to it. What the users are doing here is describing what they want their AI art to look like by using the best terminology for the AI computers to understand. Enter your prompts with commas and spaces. When you are entering your prompts into Midjourney, you must use the right format, as you are not going to get the results you desire. The words and phrases that you use must be separated by a comma, and there must be a space between each word. Here's an example. Ice cream sundae, highly detailed, delicious, octane render, glistening, marshmallows, cherries. It doesn't matter too much what order the words and phrases are in, but we recommend that you begin your prompt sequence with the main item at the beginning. In this example, it is ice cream sundae. Do you think that you will get a good AI art image from the example prompt above? The answer is a resounding yes. Use advanced prompts for variations. Your AI art didn't turn out the way that you wanted it to. Rather than start again, you can ask Midjourney to make some variations for you. To get the best results from your variations, you need to use some advanced prompts to tell Midjourney what changes you want it to make. Here are some example variation prompts you could use. Style. Here you can specify a style, such as cyberpunk style, grunge style, Pixar movie style, and so on. Lighting and rendering. You can change the lighting and rendering of your images by using prompts such as softbox lighting, cinematic lighting, octane render, and so on. Chaos. This is a little-known prompt where you can increase the amount of abstraction using a number. So, for example, you can use the prompt Eiffel Tower, Chaos 50. Use a lower number for less chaos and a higher number for more chaos. Resolution. You can specify the resolution of your AI art with prompts such as 4K, 8K, ultra detailed, photorealistic, and so on. There are two standard settings you can use, which are HD and quality. So an example could be /imagine beautiful young woman, quality 7. Aspect ratio. Use prompts to specify the aspect ratio you desire, such as /imagine beautiful young woman, quality 7, AR 4:3. Use images as a prompt. If you want your AI art to be similar to an existing image, you can provide the URL of the image as a prompt. For example, /imagine https://www.imgur.com/xyz1234 beautiful young woman, quality 7. In the next video, we will discuss things you need to consider before selling AI art. Things you need to consider before selling AI art. AI artists use computer programs with AI techniques to produce original artwork in a specific visual style. Many consider these programs as a threat to human artists because they can create similar work at a faster rate and with more consistency than any human artist could ever achieve. However, others have used AI art as an opportunity for secondary monetization or even a stepping stone for their artistic career. If you're thinking about selling your AI art, there are several things you need to consider first. Who are you selling to and why? The first thing you need to consider is who you're selling to and why they might buy your work. There are two main types of AI artists, generative and autonomous. Generative artists create artwork using an iterative process, which means every image is different. Autonomous AI artists are capable of producing work in a particular style. In other words, autonomous AI artists are essentially using advanced software that creates artwork in a specific visual style. If your AI art is autonomous, you'll likely attract collectors and enthusiasts who want to own a piece of history. When your AI art is generative, you could attract art buyers who want to own a unique, one-of-a-kind piece of artwork. How much is your AI art worth? The next thing to consider is how much your AI artwork is worth. Its value is largely dependent on a few different factors. Begin with the creativity of your work. If your art is exceptionally creative, you'll likely be able to charge a higher price than if your work is similar to what else is out there. The uniqueness of your work is the second factor. If your AI art is unique, you'll be able to charge more than if your works are commonplace. In the United States, all AI art is considered to be unique. So if you are selling to this market, then you should not have any problems describing your AI art as unique. If there's a high demand for your work, you can charge more than if there's low demand. The fourth factor is the availability of your work. When there are very few original pieces of your work in existence, you can charge more than if your work is plentiful. Know your audience and where to sell. Knowing your audience and where to sell your work is an important part of the process. If your work is autonomous and you want to sell it as an artist, you'll likely want to start at art galleries. There are several considerations when choosing a gallery to sell your work. The first thing you'll want to do is conduct some research on the galleries in your area. Find out who the gallery owners are, what types of artists they usually represent, and whether or not they accept autonomous AI art. Next, you'll want to create a show-worthy portfolio that includes images of your art, information about your background, and a price list. The best way to get your portfolio seen is to drop by the gallery and personally hand off your portfolio. If you don't have time to visit each gallery in your area, you can also send your portfolio by email. With generative AI art that you want to sell as a collector's item, your best option is to sell it online. You can list your work on websites like eBay or Etsy, or you could even start your own website. Know your motivation for selling. Your motivation for selling your AI art could affect the price you're able to receive for your work. If you're selling as an artist, you'll likely demand a higher price if you're selling as a business venture to make money. When you're selling as a collector wanting to own a piece of history, you'll likely be able to demand a higher price because the work is valuable. If you're selling as a business owner who will use the money to fund future AI art projects, you'll likely be able to demand a higher price again because the work is valuable. Does your AI art platform allow commercial use? With most of the popular AI art platforms such as Midjourney, Night Cafe, and DALL-E 2, there will be an option for you to use the AI art you create commercially. With Midjourney, you need to be a paid member to have the commercial rights to sell your AI art. Any AI art created using the Night Cafe platform can be sold as long as you didn't knowingly use any copyrighted images when you were creating the art. The rules of commercialization are going to vary from one AI art platform to another, so please ensure that you are fully aware of these before selling your AI art. In the next video, we will discuss how to sell your AI art online. How to sell your AI art online. Accessible online marketplaces like Etsy have made it simpler for AI artists to sell their products. To date, there are a few AI art vendors that sell their products online. If you're interested in becoming one of them, we've got some advice on how to do so effectively. Build a following before you sell. Before you begin selling your work, you want to have a strong following. This will allow you to build a fan base, gain exposure, and test the waters before selling your AI art online. If you already have a blog, Instagram account, or another platform where you can share your AI art, you're already halfway there. Take the time to establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Choose the right online marketplace. There are many different marketplaces on which you can sell your AI art. However, not all of them are created equal, and some are better suited to selling AI art than others. Etsy, for example, is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms around, and it's especially good for selling handmade arts and crafts. Given that AI art is a relatively new niche, you may have a better chance of succeeding in a smaller marketplace like Shopify or Artsy. You can check out multiple marketplaces before making a decision, but keep in mind that you may need to create a new account for each one. This is particularly true if you plan to sell your work online. For example, you'll need to have an Etsy shop if you want to sell your AI art there. So you will need to create a new account to do this, especially if you already sell handmade products on the platform. Create a portfolio of your AI art. As you're building your online presence, you need to create a portfolio of your work. This will allow you to show prospective customers what your art looks like and how it has progressed over time, which may help you sell even more products. You can host your portfolio on any website or social media account that you control. Use a simple blog to collect and display your work. Just make sure that you link to your products on the appropriate marketplace. If you want to create a professional portfolio website, you can do so relatively inexpensively. You can purchase web hosting and a domain name for just a few dollars per month, and there are plenty of free website builders out there that you can use like WordPress. Create compelling product descriptions. Regardless of which marketplace you sell on, you'll need to include product descriptions for each of your pieces. You can think of these as miniature sales pitches that explain why your work is special and why people should buy it. Keep in mind that many of your potential customers will be unfamiliar with the concept of AI art, so you want to explain the concept in terms that are appropriate for all audiences. While you don't want to be too technical, you also don't want to make the concept sound far-fetched, otherwise you may put off potential customers. Find customers and make sales. Finally, once you've built your reputation and acquired a following, you'll want to begin selling your work. There are various ways you can acquire customers, such as through social media marketing, paid advertisements, and online influencers. You may also want to consider attending events in your area, where you can meet potential customers in person and make sales. Just remember that selling your work online is a long and challenging process. You'll want to treat it like a real business and be persistent. In the final video, we will discuss the AI art best practices you must follow for success. AI art best practices. Here are the 8 best practices that you must follow to provide you with the maximum chance of success in creating in-demand AI art that sells. 1. Understand what AI art is. You need to understand what AI art is and how it works to be successful with it. AI art platforms use mathematical algorithms to create art automatically from text instructions that you provide. There is no artistic talent or engineering knowledge required to create AI art. AI is becoming a medium for artistic impression. Create a different look with AI art and provide pieces of high value. It is easy for anyone to create AI art after they have mastered the features and prompts of the AI art platform they are using. The technology used is continuing to advance and platforms are offering new features regularly. 2. Know the benefits of creating AI art. There are several benefits to creating AI art, and you need to know what these are to inspire you and keep your motivation levels high. The biggest benefit is probably that you do not need any artistic talent or experience to create stunning AI art. You can use AI art to provide you with more inspiration. When you use an AI art platform, you can create art instantly. The platforms can assist you with color selection, facial recognition, and they will perform repetitive tasks for you so that you don't have to. Some platforms have a marketplace where you can sell your AI art as well. 3. Prepare to create AI art that will sell. Most people that get into AI art fail to sell their work because they didn't prepare properly. You need to know your audience and find out what kind of AI art they want to buy. It is a good idea to experiment with different layouts and shapes, and you need to decide which kind of AI art you are going to create. Understand how AI art is created and choose the right platform and take time to master it. Learn the right text prompts to use to create your AI art. Decide on the visual style of the AI art that you want to create. 4. Choose the right AI art platform. You need to choose the right AI art platform that meets your needs. The 6 most popular AI art platforms are Midjourney, Jasper Art, Stable Diffusion, this is free, Night Cafe, Photosonic, and DALL-E 2. All of these platforms, except for Jasper Art, have a free trial so you can test them before you make your choice. 5. Get started with Midjourney. Midjourney is one of the most popular AI art platforms out there, and you can now sign up as a beta user and not have to join a waiting list. You will need to access Discord to use Midjourney. Start in a newcomer room to learn and experiment. Use text prompts to create your art and upscale and create variations of your images easily. 6. Use the best text prompts for excellent AI art results. The secret to creating the best AI art is in the text prompts that you use. Learn the proper format for the text prompts with your AI art platform. Use more than one adjective and be as descriptive as you can. Try using well-known words and include the style that you want. Find a list of most commonly used prompts and use advanced prompts for variations. 7. Know what you need to consider before selling AI art. There are a few important things you need to consider before you start to sell your AI art. Who are you selling to and why? How much is your AI art worth? Do you know your audience well and the best places to sell your AI art? Is the AI art you created available for commercial use? 8. Know how to sell your AI art online. There are online marketplaces like Etsy where you can sell your AI art. You should build a following before you start to sell your AI art. Make sure that you choose the right online marketplaces to sell your art. Create a portfolio of your AI art and make sure that you provide compelling descriptions. Conclusion. If you have taken this training from start to finish, you will have a good understanding of how you can successfully create AI art that the market wants and sell it for the best price. You mustn't just jump into this without knowing what you are doing. Now it is over to you. While taking this training will make you a bit smarter, only by taking action will you be able to create stunning AI art easily that will be in high demand and sell it for a high price. We hope that you found this training to be informative and useful. Get started today by understanding what AI art is and how it works. We wish you every success in creating in-demand AI art and selling it for the highest price.